Hello friends, welcome to Kodakanal YouTube channel. Today I will explain you how to use a button in Android. First of all, we will add the button in the Activitymain.xml. Here we are using the attributes of the button like layout width, layout height. These are the attributes of the button. Now we will display the button the center of the screen. We will use the center in parent. Now we'll do find view by ID. After that we will change the color. Now we will test the application. Here we add the button. In the Android application. Now we will add the background color. Let's create the drawable to change the background color. Let's add background color. On the here we will copy, go to the colors.xml. Here we will add the color. You can write any name like color. Now here we will add the button background. Here we change the background color of the button. Now we will test the application. Here is the button. Here we change the shape of the button using the drawable by creating the drawable. Now with the click of this button we will perform some action. So to perform the action we use set on click listener. So to perform the action from the button, now we will perform the action with the click of the button. We will prompt the message over here by using the toast. We will print the message. Now we will first of all we will do find view by ID of the button. Now we will add the listener, set the listener for button to perform some action on the button. We will use set on click listener. By using the toast we will print the message. Here we will print the message hello button. So here we will call the method. We will test the application. Now we will click the button. We print the message hello button. Here is the message. Here we perform the action on the button. So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.